lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to film a last minute Halloween Poundland haul. These are items that I've managed to pick up in the last couple of days. Also decided to film outside today, so you can probably hear my boyfriend and dog. Okay, there are 4 items, one of which is a Halloween costume, and let's just get straight into it. The first item is a surgeon costume. It comes with a mask, a hat and a gown. I thought this was quite an interesting costume because it's just a quick, easy way just to put an outfit together. Second item is these pumpkin decorations. It comes in a pack of 2. If you've seen my last video with the spider, it's the same idea. So you can just literally open them up and they are little things like this, which I think is quite cute if you want to put it on like a table, or you could even put a string on it and hang it on your door. It comes with paper clips to keep it in place. The third item is these scar tattoos. Just pick which scar you want. Oh wow, so it comes in 4 packs of them, but they've each got 4 on each sheet. If you're wearing the surgeon costume, they would fit nicely together.
What happened? Oh no.
And the last item I bought was this little pumpkin. He has got a hole in the back for a candle to go in, which I think would be quite cute to put outside of your house as well as a normal pumpkin, or even in just on your table or on a mantelpiece just as a signature. He has got these little stars all around him, and his eyes and his mouth are cut out. Nice? Was that nice? Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!
Oh,